Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Home Assistant operating system. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, as you can see, I have opened up here my VirtualBox. So I will go through this machine here and show you how you can set it up here on VirtualBox. Now, what you need to do is basically when you open up your VirtualBox, head over here where you see this blue star icon where it says new. So click on that. Now it will open up this window here. Now what we need to do is just select the name. So I will use Home Assistant. Then here ISO image, leave it empty. Also, if you have different operating system, you can change it right over here, just like that. So ISO image will be not all right. Just like that. And click next. Now here we will select basically the configuration hardware. So let's give it this shot. 2 gigabytes of memory, number of CPU we can leave it at 2, disk size okay, and be sure that use EFI is checked. So this is basically requires for Home Assistant to boot. When you have everything set up, you can click next, and then this is just a summary. Finish, and you will see something like that now right here. All right. So what you need to do now is head over here to the orange gear icon where it says settings. So click on that. And then on the left hand menu, select storage like that. And you will see a disk already listed under controller. So right here, you see SATA. Right click that disk and select remove attachment. This will remove the empty placeholder disk like that. Now select add hard disk. So this is the small disk with green plus symbol right over here, just like that. Click on it and select hard disk, as you can see, like that. Okay. Now in this window that pops up, select the add button at the top, so right here. And now what we need to do is find the basically the one file which you have probably downloaded from this website right over here. So you need to go to the homeassistant.io installation and then Windows, and you will see here download the appropriate image. So VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V. So this you can download it, and you will be good to go. So we will find it now right here. I have it over here in my downloads file, and then I will click open. Now I have it right here, and I will select choose. And as you can see now, I have it right over here. Okay, so now what we need to do is, so now that we are in settings, basically, we will go here on the left hand side menu to the network section, and then here you can change the attach to so settings from NOT to bridge adapter. like that, and under name select the adapter you use for internet access. So this will allow Home Assistant to talk to the other devices in your home. And then select OK. And yeah. So now what you will need to do is basically just start this virtual machine right here with this right arrow start button, and as you can see, powering VM. So we can observe the boot process of the Home Assistant operating system. So once it's completed, you will be able to reach Home Assistant on your local host. And yeah, so and this is pretty much how we can install basically Home Assistant here on our computer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.